You're most welcome again. So in this video, I'm going to show you how we can use the ACOS function. The ACOS function in Microsoft Excel returns the cosine of a number, which is the inverse cosine function. And here is how we can use it. As you can see here, I have these two numbers, 0, 4, 0.4, and 0.5. And this is a column where I'm going to input my function. So what we are going to do, we're going to select one of this cell, and then we're going to type equal sign, and then input the formula, which is ACOS. After that, we're going to select the number which we want to get the cosine of. But after opening the bracket, then we shall get the number which is C9. That's the cell reference. After doing that, go ahead and close the bracket and then press enter or return to see the result. So after that, you'll see the results in the box, meaning that one, let's say like this number like 0.4, after calculating all that, you realize that you got the answers 1.159279481. So that is if like you want to calculate the cosine of that. If you want to calculate the cosine of this, you have to use the same steps. Enter equal sign, then type the function name, which is ACOS. As you can see here, they are saying ACOS will return the cosine of a number in radians. That will be in the range to 0, in the range 0 to pi. And then the cosine is the angle whose cosine is a number. So go ahead, open the bracket and input the number, which is 0.5, close the bracket, and then you'll see the answer, or you see the value in the box. So generally, this is how we can use the ACOS function for different numbers to come up with what? To come up with the cosine of a number in radians. So thank you guys. Let's catch up in the next video with another function.